Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A50 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to select wallpapers and themes, so just under the display. And now select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from the Samsung wallpapers, it can be one from your photo and gallery, or one from the available themes. So let me pick one from those wallpapers, maybe this one. And finally you have to select if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. So I will pick home and lock screens. Wait a couple of seconds. This is how it will look like, so if you truly want to set it, click on Set as Wallpaper. And as you can see, now a brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So that's it, this is how you can change wallpaper in your Samsung. Now you can do it whenever you want to, whenever you need to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.